Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will explain physics of class 10 from chapter number 1, especially to educator school students. Chapter number 1 start is simple harmonic motion. What is simple harmonic motion? So what history of simple harmonic motion is? Harmonic is a Greek word. Harmonic is a Greek word. It is a Greek word. Okay, Greek word. Harmonic means repeated. Harmonic means repeated. It means repeated. Motion means when a body changes its position from one point to another point. When a body changes its place from that point to that point, then we call it motion. So now, what is the meaning of simple here? So simple here means the motion which is repeated again and again. Actually simple means easy, but when something is easy it done again and again. So here the simple means again and again. Okay, look at carefully. Simple means again and again. Okay, here, and harmonic means repeated. Okay, harmonic means repeated, simple means again and again. Okay, again and again. This is the word history and meaning. Now come to the definition. So definition is also easy. The motion which is repeated again and again is called what? Simple harmonic motion. Okay, it is only the meaning definition. Okay, there is another law definition of simple harmonic motion, but I only did the sample definition related to the meaning definition. Okay, so simple harmonic motion is the motion which is repeated, because harmonic means repeated and motion is motion, and simple mean again and again. So the motion which is repeated again and again is called simple harmonic motion. Okay, now further I will explain the large expression mathematical point of view, but only know this, the simple harmonic motion. Now come to the types of simple harmonic motion. Types of simple harmonic motion. Types of simple harmonic motion, SHM. So there are two types of simple harmonic motion. Okay, it is two types of simple harmonic motion. One is oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? The motion which is repeated, the motion which is harmonic and repeated from exact path. The motion which is repeated, and come back on original path. How original path? Let here that example is spring motion of a spring, like it is a spring supported by somebody with mass. When it is displaced from that point, it come to that point, so it pass from that point to the exact position, and this is the original path. Or vertically, like this, M. When that is displaced, it pass from up and down, it show up and down, back and forth, also called vibratory motion, also called vibratory motion, vibratory motion. Okay, so it is a simple types of harmonic motion. Second type is original path. Okay, it come back when it go from that point, it come on original position. Okay. Also the second example is pendulum, like that. When it is displaced from that point, it come to that point, then it pass from the means position, but it is the original path. Okay, come back on original path. Okay. So now the second type is periodic motion. What is periodic motion? Periodic is a Greek word derived from period. Period means time. So period is time. What is time? Time is an event at which changes occur. So what is periodic motion? The motion of a body, the motion which is repeated. The motion which is repeated after a regular interval of time. The motion which is repeated after regular interval of time and never come end. Never come back. Okay, the motion which is repeated after regular interval of time and never come back. Okay, the motion which is repeated after regular interval of time but never come back on the original path. Okay, never come back or never come back and never pass or never pass back or never come back on original path. Like we say motion, example, motion of what? Motion of earth around the sun. How? Like it is the sun, solar system, it is the earth. When it is move like this, so it come go, so it perform like that motion. It is repeated. Okay, and after regular interval of time. And another thing, it never come back like this. It never come back to that point. So it go on direct path, then become like this. It never came like this. So oscillatory the body come from that point, then come directly. But in periodic motion, it go directly and never come back, but on another path it come back like this. Okay, so it is periodic, and moreover it is repeated after regular interval of time, because in 24 hours it completed spinning, and 65 days it completed its whole rotation from that point to another that point. Okay, this is called what? The second types of simple harmonic motion, which was what? Periodic motion. Now in Pushto I will explain. In Pushto Gori ma physics class start kade the 10th Vadota fara educator school come the teaching koma Vadota the hago hum like especially aruta toli da kawale shi educator school wala hum like matlab start kade da Vadota fara world history da Vadota shi the meaning simple harmonic motion they know simple harmonic motion satawai simple harmonic motion harmonic Greek word hai. Our mani da repeated. First meaning is repeated. Our motion humango kala body yo zena balzeta position change ki. Simple samana da bor har ki da har si zana mana kha. Laka munga wayu simple mana humango easy da bas yo sada khabar da khud dalte ki simple na da. Ka simple harmonic ke chair simple wali rawastare complicated harmonic motion e wal na rawasto. Ya ordinary harmonic motion e wal na rawasto. Simple harmonic motion simple simple samana da meaning simple samana shudta gora kala chate yo kara asani kana ha kara ka bar kai او ځکه چې موږ کوم کار لکه موږ ته ایزي نو هغه موږ بار بار کوو. نو سمپل هارمونیک موشن معنی دلته راووته چې دا موشن سمپل او ذکر کړی چې دا موشن بار بار ریپیټ کیږي. چې کله بار بار ریپیټ کیږي مطلب دا چې again and again. So the simple mean again and again. Definition is the motion which is repeated again and again is called simple harmonic motion. هغه موشن چې هغه ځان بار بار ریپیټ کوي. پوه شئ؟ او دا خو only the meaning definition دی. نو ګوره دې further غټ definition شته د دغه point of view باندې چې هغه کې به acceleration directly proportional to displacement پر the mean solution خو هغه بیا further explanation دی هغه ته بیا راځم. اوس یې only دا یاد کړئ. بیا د types دي دو types دي. یو ته oscillatory motion وایي. oscillatory motion څه ته وایي؟ the motion which is repeated and come back it on original path. دا موشن چې کله باډي لکه ریپیټ کوي ځان بار بار ریپیټ کوي ځان خو په دې کې به داسې حساب وي که نه چې دا به په خپل پات باندې بېرته راځي. مطلب د کوم فات نه چې پاس شي پاک باندې بېرته راځي. لکه څنګه چې دا سپرینګ دی دا په دې فات باندې تا ډسپلیس کړو لاندې راغی بېرته پرې د پاک باد باندې بېرته بره لاړ شي. یا دا سمپل پونډلنې دې ځای کې نه ډسپلیس کړه دلته به راشي بیا یې بېرته پرېږدي چې نه په هغه طرف باندې بیا نه راتاوېږي دا بیا په دې طرف ځي. پوه شوئ؟ This is called what? Oscillatory motion. ها بیا د پیریاډیک موشن نو پیریاډیک پیریډ نه وترې پیریډ وایي ټایم ته او ټایم وایي د ایونټ وچ اور اټ وچ چینج از اکر دا هغه ایونټ په سره چینج راځي. ها نو د موشن هغه موشن چې هغه ځان ریپیټ کوي افټر ریګولر انټرول اف ټایم په دې کې ریګولر انټرول اف ټایم لګي مطلب دا چې وخت په بعد دا ځان ریپیټ کوي وخت په بعد راځي. پوه شئ؟ او دا او بل کې دا خبردار چې دا په خپل فات باندې اوریجنل فات باندې دا نه راځي. مطلب دا دی چې خپل اوریجنل فات باندې بیرته نه راځي لکه څنګه چې پینډولم او سپرینګ راځي دا به بله لار به راتاوېږي. لکه چې دا ځینې د ارت دی دا اسلاټ شي د به راتاو شي. نو and never come back never pass on original path. So each motion of earth around the sun. دې ډېر ښه اګزامپل دی. بل دا موشن چې دا ریپیټډ دی او دا افټر لانګ انټرول اف ټایم راځي. پوه شوئ؟ بل دې کې داسې خبره ده چې دا کوم دغه موشن چې دی دا ریپیټډ کوم مطلب د پیریاډیک موشن چې کوم دی په دې کې به ټایم لګي. مطلب ارت چې څنګه دغه کوي که نه د ارت چې کوم روټیشن پوره کوي خپل نو دا په 24 هاور کې سپیننګ پوره کوي مطلب په خپل اکسس کې تاویږي. او چې کله د ارت د مون د سن د اکسس نه تاویږي نو په 365 ډیز کې پوره کېږي. پوه شوې؟ نو دې ته سمپل څه وایي؟ دې ټول موشن ته سمپل هارمونیک موشن وایي دې ټول ته. او دا د دې ټایپس چې دا پیریاډیک او اسیلیټري دي. فردر به انشاءالله دا نور وایو. ښه خیر اوسه. تھینک یو سو مچ.